at these pink flowers. We're all waiting, Jaden. Take your time. We're all waiting after you. We are at the... Sorry, I don't have the name.
Inda Hotel in Ubud. We're right next door to the monkey forest, which is why we chose this. Literally across the road, you can see the monkey forest. So we're very excited. We haven't been in Ubud in 6 years and a half. So as you know, the accommodation in Ubud, you can go either really fancy or they're rather simple. But it's very clean and the AC is working, so that's what we want.
As addition, we have a pool and a cat.
Yes, we have a pool. They have a pool here, and breakfast is included. And they have a resort cat that Jaden loves, but let's stay away from. So it's a love-hate relationship. We have a big bed. There's water here, a mini fridge, a bathroom with a bathtub.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and a separate sink. So I think for the price, I think this was around $40 or $50 including breakfast. I think it's very reasonable. We're very much at the center of everything happening in Ubud, so that's where we want to stay.
No, it's okay. It's so cute.
Oh, the monkey wants a second monkey. Okay. All right, guys, we are now at the sacred monkey forest, and we stripped down all our jewelries, our sunglasses.
All the jewelry.
Oh, I forget this one. There's tons of instruction just to get here.
Like we won't have the mic once we're in the forest,
Yeah.
because they're blinky and they're cute, and I think they will be so interested. I wore the most boring outfit this time because last time I had pompons and they were playing with us. Anyway, so we are here. The entrance definitely has changed. There are many rules. So you have to not look the monkey in the eyes. If they jump onto you, just slowly walk away. Do not scream, do not run, because they might attack you. Obviously, take off all the jewelry and all the little things they can snatch, including this hat here. And we're wearing like the sandals that are attached and everything. So yeah, you gotta be careful. That's a lion. You have to be careful because obviously you're with wild animals here, because it is a sanctuary and they're running wild.
We repeat the instruction to Jaden so he doesn't look in the eyes. And my backpack, it's strapped. I did tie on my zip. There are many.
It's a bigger thing. So at least it's not like it's a small thing. They're really into like those pom-poms. Throw them out.
Oh, you're so good. You're doing good, Jaden. He didn't scream. He said, "Mama, help."
So quietly. So quietly.
You're good, Jaden. You're good.
Yes, I will.
Whoa, Jaden, look at the monkey.
Really pretty.
You go see the monkey?
No, I don't want to see.
Okay. You don't see the monkey. Okay. You want to touch the monkey?
No way.
Okay.
Everybody's dead?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Jaden has a weird curiosity about the monkey. He found them very cute, but not to be near. Did you see the size of the tree just right in front?
They're like 10 stories high. They're so big. You didn't want no screaming. Good job.
Jaden's gonna shit in his pants. Does the quickest cheese ever. We arrived at the end of the day. It was around 3:40. I noticed that the monkey are less active, which is good. They're less, tempt to go grab and steal your stuff. So if you want a calmer experience, come in the afternoon. If you want them to be more active, early in the day. Wow, he's having a good time right now. The whole forest here, it's about 10 hectares big. Why it is called the Sacred Monkey Forest, it's because the village of Padang Tigal own the forest. All the profit coming from the ticket selling goes back to the village, and it pays for ceremonies, burials, stuff like this.
And let me tell you the only fact that's actually interesting to you guys. There are 1,200 monkeys here. 1,200.
1,200 monkeys? Well, there's now 1,201. How was the experience with Jaden climbing on you like a monkey, and a baby monkey climbing on you also?
It's weirdly calming. Like, you, as a mother, you just really calm down and assess the situation.
Were you scared?
Yes, I'm scared.
But you're a big boy. You're bigger than monkey. But the bigger monkey was not calm. Well, he did good actually.
He did really
didn't
good.
scream.
He was so calm.
He was just really holding mommy like this. Good job, Jaden.
No.
Oh, you little monkey. He's so smart. He opens the water. Did he? Alright guys, we brought a monkey back from the monkey forest. He's on me right now.
He's tired. It's very hot today. We're gonna let you guys go. We hope you enjoyed today's day at the monkey forest. 6.5 years later.
It changed so much.
Yeah, it has.
If you visited before, it's worth coming back.
Yeah, it's definitely very different. Tomorrow we're gonna go try to go to the water temple here in Ubud because you didn't love the fishes, but we have to go very early in the morning. And we're gonna go try.
Hey. Okay, sorry Jaden. Sorry guys. Okay, this is take 2. Tomorrow we're gonna go to where?
Tomorrow we're gonna go try to hit the water temple here where there are a lot of koi ponds and fish for Jaden to give food to. The monkey is climbing the arm. We're gonna let you guys go.
Okay,
Don't forget
bye.
to like, comment, and subscribe. We love you. Bye.
Okay, c'est à toi. Jaden, dis hello YouTuber.
Baby, you do bye.